A lot of people have asked me how to sell their USDT since Binance P2P stopped working in Nigeria.
Binance has suspended its services for the Naira due to an ongoing regulation in the country.
It is really simple. Beside Binance P2P, there are lots of other P2P exchanges that Nigerians can use. I will show you a bunch of them in this video and even leave more in the description of the video. One of them is Bybit. What I will do in this video is to transfer my USDT from Binance to Bybit and sell it there for Naira. On Binance, if I go to my wallet section and click on Sport, you can see I have $57 here. So I will send $50 to Bybit and sell it there. Now, if I go to Bybit and click on my assets and click on funding here, and you can see I have about $2.3 here. So to receive fund into Bybit, I'll click on deposit and I'll click on deposit crypto, select USDT, and these are the networks I can receive. So the cheapest is usually TRC and BEP20. I want to choose BEP20 because Binance has BEP20. So I'll copy this wallet address, and I'm going to go to Binance and click on withdraw here. And what I want to withdraw is USDT, send via crypto network. I'll paste the address here. On the network, I'm going to choose BNB Smart Chain BEP20, and I'm sending $50. I can decide to add 0.22 to pay for network fee. So I'm going to receive $50. You can see here that at the bottom left corner. So I click on withdraw. So my withdrawal now is being processed. I'll give it a little time. So I can go to my Bybit account and see if this has arrived. Yes, so it has arrived in my funding account. So I have $52 now. Now, supposing you have the money in your spot account, you have to use this transfer here to transfer it to the funding account. It is from the funding account you can now sell it for Naira. So I have the USDT $52 in my funding account now. What I will do is to go to home and I'm going to click on more here, and I will select P2P trading here. Now, how much do I want to sell? I want to sell $50 worth of USDT. This is in the buy section if you want to buy, but this is a sell section if you want to sell. So it is about $1,592. So what I will do is to get my calculator and type 50 times 1,592. This will give me about 79,000. So what I would do is I'll come to where it says amount under USDT. I'll click on it and I'll enter 79,000 Naira. Confirm. You can see I am ineligible for some persons. Maybe they require me to do a certain volume to be able to sell to them. But these persons here, I can see sell beside them. I can sell to those persons. So this person is offering at 1,590. Now the more you sell and buy on P2P, the more you are eligible to trade with these other persons. That gives you even a better price. But this guy is okay. He has done 194 orders and he completes about 98% of all his trade. If I click on him, you can see quantity 31. So if I enter all, I won't actually be able to sell. Maybe his orders have been taken as well. So I'm going to refresh this. I'll try this next person. I'll click on him. You can see he can buy up to $776 worth of USDT, and my order will be completed in 15 minutes maximum. So I'll go ahead and enter $50 here because that's what I want to sell. I will receive 79,557, and my payment method is bank transfer. If I click on this, I've chosen bank transfer. Now, if it's your first time, you will have to click on add payment method to add your own payment method. All right, so I'm going to click on sell. All I would do now is to wait to receive the money from this particular guy And if I click on contact buyer here, this is where I can chat him. Like he said, drop your phone number for fast payment. So I'll go ahead and drop my phone number. And guys, I am blowing all the sensitive information here so that nobody is at risk. So the button shows release. This simply means that he has paid. Even though he said he has paid me, I have not received the money. So I will not click on release until I have received the money. Don't click on release until you have received the money. The money has arrived. And what I want to do now, since the money has arrived, is to compare if the name that I received the money from and the name that is here on Bybit is the same. So the name is actually the same. So yes, I'm sure that this person that is paying me is actually paying from his account. I can now go ahead and click on release and click check I have received, and I confirm that this person is the person that actually sent it. So I can now click on release. Now I have to go and enter my Google Authenticator. So confirm now, guys. Before you can do all this, of course, you must have done your KYC and all that. I'll tell you how to register on Bybit and do your KYC and the precautions you have to take at the end of this video. All right. Now that is simply how to sell your USDT. In case you're wondering, how do I sell it since Binance stopped its operation in Nigeria? And if you want to buy, it is just the same way. You go to the buy section, click on that and buy. Besides Bybit P2P, there are lots of other P2P. Example, Bitget has a P2P. If I click on Bitget, how do you get to the P2P? If we go here and click on add fund here, click on add fund, you can see the P2P trading here. Click on it, it will take you to the P2P market. You can do the same thing. You have the buy and the sell, same thing. Another one is CoinW. So if you go to CoinW, you see CoinW earn, deposit and buy crypto. If you click on buy crypto, you can see P2P and quick buy. So this is a P2P market. They are still lit, they're not that big. There are a few traders here, but it is also a P2P. Another one is Binance. Binance P2P is actually growing really fast. Now, how do you get there? Same thing. When you are here, you click on buy crypto. So if I click on it, you see the P2P trading. You click on it, see it actually has a good number of sellers and buyers here. So buy, sell is the same thing. Now there are lots of other P2P exchanges that Nigerians can use. Now there are some precautions you should take. One is that I'll leave all the links for you to register in this P2P in case you want to sell your USDT that is stuck on Binance. You can do that here. And when registering, what you could do is to use a VPN. Now if you're using your phone like me, you're using an Android phone, Proton VPN is free, so you can use it. For iPhones, it's usually very difficult to get a free VPN, but you can search for the VPNs on the app store. You can see one, right, that you can use. You need it for registration, but once you're done with registration, mostly you can use the app without a VPN. I did all this video without using any VPN. So guys, this is how you sell your crypto on the P2P market. You can also do the same when you want to buy. I hope this video is helpful. If you enjoyed the video, click on the like button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not following me on Twitter, go and do that, because on Twitter I give a lot of information. This is a bull season on how you make money in crypto. I drop it every single day, so go there and follow me at Jude Umeano. This Saturday we're having a wonderful space about airdrop, so I'll see you there guys, and in the next video.